Hey guys, welcome to Techcity. My name is Belarus Okogie with another installment of our weekly unboxing videos right here. Seems like the guys at Tecno Mobile are very busy these days. Just about, a week after we unboxed the J8 and the headphones that it came with. Well, the W4 is right before us. It is one of their low-end devices. It's not too expensive. However, it is a smartphone. So get ready for our first impressions and of course the unboxing of this device right here on Techcity. So before I open the box up, let's see how much information we can use that's on the box. So it's a 5-inch HD IPS screen device. It runs on Android 6 Marshmallow OS. That's really cool. And I do know that this is their first device that runs on the Android Marshmallow operating system. Has a wide-angle camera, beautification effect, of course. It's powered by a 1.3 GHz quad-core processor. Has a metallic frame. I'd love to see that once I open it up. 8 megapixels back-facing camera with 2 megapixels front-facing camera. Internal memory 16 gigabytes with 1 gig of RAM. I don't know if it's expandable, but we'll find that out once we open up this box. So quick, let's just, alrighty, here we are. Plastic back. I do see the metallic frame that goes around the edges of the device. This is cool. So the color we have is midnight black. Okay, so this is the power plug, rather that's the USB cord, the power plug, earphones, 13-month warranty, and a pouch for the device, bluish. Plastic back and leather flap. All right, so that's that about that. This, of course, is the 5-inch screen device. I like to take off the back panel to see if the battery is removable first. The battery is not removable. However, it's a dual SIM phone, and yes, it does come with a slot for a micro SD card. So that means that the internal memory is expandable. Sits very comfortably in one hand. Okay, so I've powered the device up. Now I have to walk you through the process of setting up the device. We have to choose language first. English, United Kingdom is what I'm choosing. Next, insert SIM cards. I don't have any right here, so I'll just skip that. Choose a Wi-Fi network, and then we go on. Time and dates. These are really things I can actually skip. You have to add your name, first and last name. So I'll just put Tech as first name and then of course City as last name. Makes a very good rhetoric. Right? After that, prevent your phone by, let's see, you have to protect this device. It requires a PIN, pattern or password to unlock the screen. Do I have to do that right away? You have to do that right away. Okay, so I'll just choose a pattern. That's my pattern. Continue. All right, confirm the pattern. I like this. It's an actual setup of the device before you begin using it. Notifications. How do you want your notifications? Okay, so you choose if you want all notification content, if you want to hide sensitive notification content, or not show any notifications at all. And we're there. Okay, I do like the display on the device. It looks quite vibrant actually. So it runs on the Android 6 Marshmallow OS, and we can see from here the drop-down menu looks rather different from other Tecno devices that I have unboxed or even reviewed, and that's for obvious reason anyway. All right, it looks pretty okay. All right, so I mean, first impressions, it's quite vibrant. From the look of things, the power on and off button and the volume rocker are the only 2 buttons on the device, physical buttons that is. They're right on this side. Headphone jack just above, mouthpiece, and of course charging port just below. Speaker is just right at the back here, and of course the pouch also makes way for that. All right, so that's it really. Do check back on our website for a detailed text review. That's on techcityng.com, and right here on YouTube for a detailed video review. Now, speaking of a video review, if there's anything you'd like for us to talk about, anything you'd like for us to explore, if it's a feature or whatever on the Tecno W4, do drop a comment in the box below telling us what your specifics are, and we'll make sure that we look into that for you. Make sure you do that as soon as possible, all right? And do not forget to like this video, share it, and it's a must that you subscribe to this channel. See you next time. I'm Belarus Okogie, and this is Techcity.